Hello, and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to mark any movie or TV show as watched in Netflix. So to do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to Netflix. So what you should know that there is no button in Netflix to mark anything as watched, any TV show or any movie as watched. So what you can do is to go to the movie or TV show that you want to mark as watched and open it and just go to the end of it. And like that, this movie or TV show will be marked as watched for you on your Netflix account, and normally it will be shown in, if you restart like your Netflix, it will be shown on continue watching, or after some time it will be like shown in this list of continue watching, and that movie is like marked as watched by you on Netflix. So what Netflix will do, it will start recommending more like that movie for you in the future, so you can watch it. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.